Taha, ua, tolu, wha, ta aupu. Taha, ua, tolu, wha.
Nice. You were here last week when we did the TikTok, eh?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes. Nice.
We might teach you guys a new one today.
Oh, yeah.
Are you gonna come sit at the front?
Mālo lele ko hingoa ko Seini, au kawe Taimi Village Collective, ko mahau ko ngawe heni. It's really good, like, you know, heartwarming just being here because we get to share our knowledge from our generation with them and where they share their stories and their knowledge from, you know, their hometown, like either Tonga or Samoa or Niue. They're always happy and excited to be, you know, amongst us and also people around the age.
And then after that move, you just go 1,
1, 2.
I think it's so cool, the stories that they teach us, and in exchange we teach them something modern that they can go home and connect with their grandchildren. My name is Ana Vete. I am from New Zealand, but my dad's from Mātua, Nukalofa, and my mum's from the Takamotonga and Labaha.
So we're just going to get into our TikTok. This is an exciting time because the oldies want to learn the moves. We explain to them these are the dances that the young people are doing, so they're interested to see you know, what all the hype is about. So we're going to teach them a few moves and see how it goes.
Yeah.
Just explain what is
A TikTok, don't quote me on this, but a TikTok, to my knowledge, is like a short action that goes with certain modern songs of the century, and you do certain moves that go and beat with it. So you get something like
You never see, like, you know, makuas or matuas, like, you know, doing TikToks when you're on the app and that. But doing it with them, it's just really heartwarming.
3, 2, 1, go!
When we said we're doing a TikTok, they looked at us like we're swearing at them. They were like, go hi y'all. And then, like, once we teach them the moves and stuff, they start laughing and they have fun.
Mana sayang tak hafaz gitu.
So far, I actually find it really amazing working with the old people. I think it's just one of the main things I look forward to throughout my week, just being here, vibing with them, basically gossiping with them, but, you know, nothing new all the time. But it's really good. I just love seeing them enjoy themselves, you know, laugh amongst each other and just actually have, like, you know, people near the age and that. But yeah, so far it's been amazing.
Basi!
Hey, mali! Ya ata mai, ata! Sas, keluar! Ya, tracks, kisah. Hey! Sasi, keluar, sofa! Hey! Lalo! Hey! Mālo! Mālo! I think it was a good TikTok. They enjoyed it. Lots of laughs and smiles all around. I think a few broken hips after that one, but as long as they're happy, that's all that matters. Mālo.